up for auction is a gently used off-lease DS-90i is the quadrant version, and then this one is branded an FPi-6600-2. This has the 500 sheet big tray, high capacity tray, a standard tray, and then the maxi feeder, which will do your number 9s up. So you can do up to, I think it's 5 or 6 sheets flat that will fold, plus an insert. Very good machine, very easy to use, very easy to maintain. This has about 30,000 on it. Let me go into service for you. It's got 30,000 on the hopper and 30, I can't add it up, 34, say 8, 10, 40,000 insert sheets. That's your maintenance counter. Configuration system. All right, so it has 3 feeders, the high capacity feeder, the maxi feeder. It's got the third fold roller so it can turn over the sheets. It does have a full camera for barcode mailing. There's a scanner here, so you can do your integrity and your match pieces. You can also make it pull 1 sheet from here, 1 sheet from here, and it'll match up the barcodes at the scanner. It looks like there was another tablet here for maybe verifying software. I don't know how that goes. I don't know if you even need it, but it looks like the scanner plugs in to the main unit, and everything else looks right. I mean, I ran 25, 30 pieces, super clean. I'm going to run a couple demos for you. Let's see what else is here. Settings. Yeah, these are all your settings. Yeah, none of that really needs to be messed with. I'm looking for... All right, so they call it's Neopost Quadrant makes this. FPi puts their name on it, services and sells it. It's a DS-90i. This is a tried and true machine. Some people hate the stacker on this. I find it's great. It can go up or it can kick out to a mail stacker, which I do have. I will post pictures. I believe that's why you need power here, because it takes it off. It sends a trigger to it. So I need to set that up tomorrow and show you that. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you that this runs and stacks, and it's a great machine. I'm going to do 1 sheet into an envelope just to show you everything's working like it should. This all could be removed. I don't know why there was another tablet here. I think they had some kind of tracking software that read from this back from the scanner. So like it would keep track. Like if you're doing mailings for anything like HIPAA or medical records, and they need guaranteed mail outs, 100% mailed, verified, there's software that you can get that I believe there's a tablet that goes here. I don't have it. You don't need it to run it. So if I go to a regular job, like this, and then we're going to edit the job. Actually, I'm better off making a new job. New job. This way I could show you how it works. Automatic. So you got 1 sheet there. It knows. It knows. It's going to automatically figure it out when I hit this. Learning the job settings. So it just kicked out 1 sheet into a number 10. It's going to ask me if the mail said okay. I'm going to say yes. And then we're going to do... I'm going to stop at 10. 20. We'll run 20. 20 single sheets. We don't care about the reservoir. I don't think there's ever been fluid in this at all. It sounds new. This is how they sound when they're very new. So it stopped at 20 like I told it to. Stop counter reached. We're going to hit exit. Now we're going to change the job. Edit. Main document. I wanted to pull 2 sheets from that top tray. Running 2 sheets into a number 10. Collated sheets. So it double fed, so it kicked that out, and then it'll keep going. Or in this case, it thought it was too thick. That's because of my cutter. All inserted. I pick a random one, pull out my 2 sheets. You see they're collated, and it is pulling 1 or 2 sheets. 2 sheets like it's supposed to. Okay. This was because my the end of my stack had glue on it. We got this cheap paper. It's got glue on the edges, so sometimes it sticks. My cutter's rolling over the edges. That doesn't help. So you get 3 trays. Like I said, you can do up to 6 into a number 10. I think you can do 8 into a 6x9. This will run up as it runs to insert number 9s or anything else that you may have that's more of like an insert or like a buck slip. You know, you could do inserts from any tray, but this is the tray that you want to do tons of inserts. That's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll go through it one more time, clean everything up. I mean, I went through it. It's clean. Like I said, it's only got 30,000 on it. This looks like it's never even been wet. Otherwise, it would be blue. What else? Super clean, super easy to use, super easy to learn. In the tabletop space, this is one of the best machines. As you can see, all the rollers are still white. You know, they get dirty. Like this is starting to show some dirt, but this just needs to be cleaned. But everything looks good. Everything's sharp. Like everything's smooth. Nothing's worn out on this. Good machine, ready for its next home. I don't think these brushes were ever wet. All these parts are available. Super robust, super easy to use. We do remote training. I can also help you find somebody nearby that can help you set this up. Just 110 power is all you need for this. And a couple, maybe a good surge protector. Trying to see what else I could show you. Let's go back to job list. And as you can see, like all of these are using barcodes. All their jobs were barcode jobs. Custom document. So they were using barcode reading 2D, and it would stop on misreading. So what I could do is send you the service manual for this and some videos that will show you how to use the barcode to verify mail or verify sets. Like I said, you can pull one from this tray and one from this tray, and it'll marry them up. Let's say you have a big job and it's only one page is color, but the second page is black and white. I would run this on my color press. I would run this on my black and white press with a barcode on each. Just a simple start barcode, end barcode, and it would match them up. And if it didn't, it would kick out until they did. So you do like either the small QR code or the strip barcode, and then with a little bit of variable data, you then say pull one sheet here, and it checks. And if they don't match, it kicks out or it stops so that you can then make sure they match up. Saves you a lot of time if you pick up any bigger mailings that have to be matched. That's my spiel. Let me give you the serial number real quick on this. There's your serial. Like I said, I think this is like I want to say 2018, 19, because FPi wasn't doing this before then. The serial numbers all start with 15 or 14. The 600-2 is replaced with the 6700. The only thing different is the computer. Everything's the same. All the parts are the same. Everything's the same. They just update the screen. Great machine to break into direct mail. If you're paying for somebody to insert your mail or to do your mail for that matter, this is the way to go. I can help you up with a company, or actually we do it for a couple places that need help with pre-sorting for bulk mail. They don't want to invest in the software. You send us your files, your list. We pre-sort it. We send you back PDFs that are ready to print. We can help you with the barcode mailings. You know, that's a discussion, but we can definitely help with that. Questions, comments, reach out. If you need a machine to go with this, like a printer or a Konica, or, let me know what you're looking for. Again, super low reserve, super clean, stacks on a pallet. We bubble wrap it. We box all the trays because these do break. This one doesn't. This is metal, but the plastic trays do tend to break. And everything goes on one pallet. Super easy. Can have it to you in 3 days. All right. Good luck. Happy bidding.